Hey, hi, hello, my name is Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is the October Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette tutorial thing. I missed the October one because I was busy, you know, moving. So here it is now. And honestly, I wish I skipped it, but alright. So October, it says I'm just here for the booze with the little lips, which I guess is cute. And then the page itself with the tutorial says, wickedly beautiful. Treat yourself to a wickedly beautiful look that will make all the witches bow down. Do you see this face? This face is how I feel about this look. But if you want to see how I did it, let's just get started. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed. Let's move on to fun stuff. This look is gonna be awful. And that's that. Step one is apply Snow Day from lash line to brow bone. Okay, so Snow Day, which I feel like we've used in like every freaking look, is the more white of the two white shades up here. Like this is white, this is kind of yellowy. So we're using the white. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere, apparently. So I'm just gonna smack it all over. Ooh, my tummy's grumbling. My brow, over here, over there. Step two is line lash line with black tie and extend up. No, hold on. I'm gonna switch step two and step three. So I'm gonna do step three first, which is create a second wing line with Plum Pudding. But if you look in the picture, the second wing line, can you see that? Like the black tie is right against the lash line, and then the Plum Pudding, excuse me, is on top of it. I'm gonna do the Plum Pudding first, because to me that makes more sense. And what I'm gonna do for my eye shape is I'm gonna kind of fill in the lid with it and extend it rather than trying to draw. I have hooded eyes, I can't do any of that. So I'm gonna, where's Plum Pudding? Oh really? It's a shimmery shade. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be matte. Okay, wow, now I'm really thrown off. You can tell I haven't really looked at this. I'm just like going in. Yeah, Plum Pudding. Okay, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna kind of like, this isn't picking up at all. Press that kind of all over my lid basically. Make sure I get it right in this corner. Okay, and then kind of bring it this way. Drag it back this way, back onto the lid. Sure. Sure. I'm gonna leave it at that because that's as good as it's gonna get for my eye shape. Sure. Okay. So I have that. This just looks ridiculous. There's no like, imagine this on a person with like a crease and stuff. There's no crease color. So now I'm gonna go back to 2, which is line lash line with black tie and extend outwards. So basically just create a wing with black tie. Not even gonna show you black tie. It's a black shade and I don't think it's a very good one. So I'm just gonna smush it in there. Oh, it wants me to make a wing with this now. Or extend outwards, it says. It doesn't even say make a wing, it says extend outwards. What if I didn't know that that's what they meant? Like make a wing. Extend outwards. I don't know. I'm glad we're almost done with this. And I'm just gonna try and follow like this bottom line, I guess, that I've made here for my wing. Again, I have hooded eyes, so this doesn't really work for me. So They did not take all eye shapes into consideration with this one. Alright, that's as good as that's gonna get. Okay, so I hate this. That's it. Those are all the steps for the eyes. So I'm going to put the Plum Pudding on the bottom of my lower lash line, because I have to do something there. I have to. Wow, this look is awful. We've had some bad looks in this thing, and I think this one wins. I think this one takes the cake. All right, so I'm just putting this down there. Okay, sure. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So what I'm gonna do, okay, what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm gonna put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back for the face steps. Okay, so here are the eyes done. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Let's move on back to the face. Okay, there's only one face step in the instructions, and it's bronzer, so I'm gonna contour first with, sorry, everything's under my foot. With my Kevyn Aucoin, you can't see that, sculpting powder. Just to give myself a little bit of cheekbone, because I need it. And the one face step that's in here is to bronze hairline, cheekbones, and jawline with Chocolate Soleil. I am so happy that in this year's holiday sets, they did not call the bronzer Chocolate Soleil, because I think they finally figured it out. That we all know that this is not Chocolate Soleil that's in this palette. Every friggin' holiday, they come out with Chocolate Soleil in their holiday palettes, and it's not Chocolate Soleil. And this year, they finally didn't call it Chocolate Soleil. I'm bitter. Can't you tell? For blush, since she literally only has bronzer on, I'm gonna use Mood Exposure from Hourglass, my nice little nothing blush. And then for highlight, I'm just gonna use, I have this mini of Hustler Baby from Fenty. It's just what I had in front of me, so I'm just gonna use this. Oh, I put that basically up my nose. Cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow. Okay, that. And then in the picture, I don't understand why they bother putting lip colors on them if they don't give you, they don't tell you what lip to put on. Like, it's not like Too Faced doesn't have any lips. I think I've mentioned this before in another one. But she has like this kind of orangey red on. I pulled out this one, but I think it's gonna be a little too orange, but honestly, I don't care. Where is it? I pulled out this one. This is from Ciate. It's one of the liquid velvets in Risque. I'm just gonna put this on. It's kind of like a tomatoey red, so it might be like a little too orangey, but whatever. Also, my lips are severely dry, so I'm sorry that they're gonna look awful. So this is the finished look. And it's the eyes. I don't like the eyes. It was, I don't know. I want a crease color. I want it not winged. I just want a different eye look, basically. But, right? Like, doesn't that look hilarious? It's just on my eyelids. So, I like this lip, though. I forget it. I haven't worn this in a long time. These are so comfortable. What are they called? Liquid velvets? I really like that. Yeah, but this is the finished look. And that's it. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for bearing with me while I film in my living room. Yeah, thank you. You're all being so patient with me. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.